Honoring Diane Nash. In 1960, Diane Nash became a young civil rights activist after learning about nonviolent tactics of protest. She led a student organization and began organizing events known as sit-ins to help desegregate lunch counters in Nashville. She also organized a huge march on Nashville City Hall. These tactics were successful, leading to Nashville becoming the first city in the South to desegregate lunch counters. Diane became co-founder of the Student Nonviolent Coordinate Committee, or SNCC, which worked with other organizations to protest the discrimination of the Jim Crow South. At just 23 years old, she also took charge of guiding freedom riders on an extremely dangerous journey to Birmingham, Alabama, in an effort to desegregate bus travel and terminals. It was not unusual for freedom riders to face threats and violence. This movement had enormous success as well, leading to new legislation to end this form of segregation. She continued to coordinate events, including organizing a march from Selma to Montgomery alongside Martin Luther King Jr. For her work, she was arrested and even spent time in jail while pregnant for teaching young people about nonviolent tactics for protest. She received the Presidential Medal of Freedom for her unrelenting support of the civil rights movement. Honoring Diane Nash.